One of PlanetTogether's core functions is its Optimize feature. This allows the scheduler to select different aspects of the production schedule and create a weighting matrix that will optimize the schedule. Optimization rules can be used across all of the work centers and all of the departments. It can also be applied to individual departments and specifically to individual resources. For example, if you have a particular work center in a particular department that you want a specific rule applied for, you can create a specific rule and apply it to that resource. Optimization rules can be created by going to Settings, Scenario Data, and Optimize Rules. This is where optimization rules are created and maintained. To apply optimization rules to work centers or resources, go to Resources, locate the work center, double-click on the Optimization tab. Under Optimize Rules, you will see under Normal Rule where you can select which optimization rule you would like to apply to that work center. There is also an option for Experimental Rule where you can select a different optimization rule and temporarily apply it to that work center for when the optimization is run once. This can also be changed from the Gantt by locating the work center you wish to make the change, and you see it's the same screen.